So now we are looking into Money Market Hedge Part 1. So what is a Money Market Hedge? So this is where wholesale lending and borrowing occurs, or when companies actually trade in short-term financial instruments. So this is only useful when there is a huge amount involved. Okay. So what are the mechanics, or how does a money market hedge work? So many companies are able to borrow or deposit funds through their bank in the money markets. So let's look at how do we hedge a payment. Okay, so there are a few steps that you have to follow. The first step, if you're going to make a USD payment, you will need to deposit USD. So this follows the matching concept. So now you have to pay, right? Okay, so now you put a deposit, so the receipt from that deposit will help you pay your USD payment. Okay, then you have to note, when will you be making the payment? Is it 3 months? Is it 5 months? So this will actually be provided to you. Okay, after finding out the duration on when you're going to make the payment, you have to prorate the deposit rate, because often they will give you the annual deposit rate. Okay, then you divide the USD payment by 1 plus deposit rate. So this is to determine how much to borrow in pounds. So you can see here, deposit USD, borrow in pounds. Okay, then you convert this USD amount to pounds at the spot rate. Then you have to prorate the borrowing rate because we are borrowing in pounds. Then the last step is to take this pound amount and multiply by 1 plus borrowing rate to get the total payment. Okay, let's look at this illustration. Liverpool PLC must make a payment of $450,000 in 3 months' time. And I've provided you the spot rate and the money market rates. So these rates are actually all in annual terms. Okay. So what shall we do first? So it's a payment, right? So we have to deposit US dollars. And it was for 3 months. So let's look here. US dollars deposit is 5% annually. So we have to prorate it. 5% times 3 over 12. So this is 1.25%. Okay, so what we do next is the 450,000 you have to divide by 1 plus the deposit rate, so that you know that you have to deposit this much to obtain $450,000 to pay off your payment. Okay? So from this 444,444, so we will convert this USD amount to the pounds at spot rate. So we will use the buying rate, okay, which will give us 261,438 pounds. Okay, again you have to prorate the borrowing rate now. So the borrowing rate is in pounds, which is 7.5%. Okay, so 7.5% times 3 over 12, we get 1.875%. So the total payment that we have to do is 261,438 times 1 plus 1.875%, and we will get a total payment of £266,340. Thank you.